Welcome to our exploration of the enchanting world of handmade wooden art. In this video, we'll dive deep into the timeless craft of woodworking, where creativity meets nature. From intricate carvings to stunning furniture pieces, wood has been a cherished medium for artists and craftsmen for centuries. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your journey, we'll share valuable insights into the techniques, tools, and inspirations behind these remarkable creations. Get ready to discover the beauty of handmade wooden art and learn how you can create your own masterpieces. Handmade wooden art is a timeless expression of creativity and craftsmanship, drawing on centuries of tradition. From intricate carvings to functional furniture, the versatility of wood as a medium offers endless possibilities. In an era dominated by mass production and digital art forms, the revival of interest in handmade crafts reflects a desire for authenticity and connection to the material world. This paper explores the rich history, techniques, and creative processes behind wooden art, emphasizing its significance in contemporary society. Wood has been a fundamental material for human expression since antiquity. Early civilizations utilized wood for practical purposes, tools, shelters, and transportation, before turning it into art. Ancient Egyptians carved wooden figurines, while indigenous cultures across the Americas created totem poles, each telling stories of their heritage. The Middle Ages saw the rise of intricate wooden sculptures in Europe, often depicting religious themes. As woodworking techniques evolved, so did the complexity of designs. The Renaissance period brought a renewed interest in realism, leading to lifelike wooden statues and detailed furniture. In Asia, the art of woodblock printing emerged, allowing artists to reproduce images and texts intricately. Japanese woodblock prints, or ukiyo-e, famously combined artistry with craftsmanship, influencing global art movements. Today, handmade wooden art continues to thrive, blending traditional methods with modern aesthetics. Artists draw inspiration from their cultural backgrounds, creating pieces that resonate with both beauty and meaning. Wood carving. Wood carving is one of the oldest forms of artistic expression, involving the removal of wood to create designs. Techniques vary from whittling, which uses simple hand tools, to intricate relief carving, where images are sculpted into a flat surface. Artists may depict nature, animals, or abstract patterns, imbuing each piece with their unique vision. Wood turning. Wood turning involves shaping wood on a lathe, creating symmetrical objects. This technique is commonly used for making bowls, vases, and spindle-turned furniture parts. The process requires skill and precision, as the artist must account for the wood's grain and imperfections. Finished pieces often showcase the natural beauty of the wood, enhanced by careful sanding and finishing. Wood inlay and marquetry. Wood inlay and marquetry are techniques that involve fitting pieces of different woods together to create intricate designs. Inlay typically refers to embedding materials into a surface, while marquetry involves assembling a picture from various wood pieces. These methods can produce stunning visual effects, transforming ordinary furniture into works of art. The art of furniture making combines functionality with artistic expression. Craftsmen design and build custom pieces that reflect individual tastes and styles. Techniques range from traditional joinery to modern construction methods, allowing for a broad spectrum of designs. Bespoke furniture often tells a story, whether through its materials, craftsmanship, or aesthetic. Choosing the right wood is crucial in the creation of wooden art. Hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, are favored for their durability and fine grain, making them ideal for furniture and intricate carvings. Softwoods, like pine and cedar, are easier to work with and often used for larger pieces or projects that require a lighter weight. Sustainability is a growing concern in woodworking. Artists increasingly seek sustainably sourced wood, considering the environmental impact of their materials. Reclaimed wood, salvaged from old buildings or furniture, not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to new creations. Woodworking requires various tools, each serving a unique purpose. Basic hand tools include chisels, saws, and planes, while power tools like routers and sanders enhance efficiency. Each tool requires knowledge and practice to master, as improper use can lead to injuries or subpar results. Safety is paramount in woodworking. Wearing protective gear, such as goggles and gloves, is essential to avoid injuries. Understanding the proper use of tools and maintaining a clean workspace reduces the risk of accidents. The finishing process enhances the wood's appearance and durability. Techniques include staining to deepen the color, sealing to protect from moisture, and varnishing to create a glossy surface. Each finishing choice impacts the final look and feel of the piece, allowing artists to tailor their work to their vision. The journey of creating wooden art begins with inspiration. Artists draw from various sources, including nature, culture, and personal experiences. Sketching ideas helps solidify concepts before moving to the material phase. Prototyping is a crucial step, where artists may create smaller models or test cuts to refine their design. Patience and practice are essential, as mastering techniques takes time. Artists often revise their work, embracing imperfections and learning from mistakes. Collaboration can also play a vital role in the creative process. Working with other artisans or participating in workshops fosters skill development and expands artistic horizons. Despite its rewarding nature, handmade wooden art presents challenges. Tool maintenance, such as sharpening blades and keeping equipment in good condition, is crucial for optimal performance. Additionally, selecting the right wood can be daunting, as each species has. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of handmade wooden art. We've explored its rich history, diverse types, and the intricate processes involved in creating beautiful pieces. Remember, each creation tells a unique story, and your support for artisans helps keep these traditions alive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on craftsmanship and art. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite type of wooden art? Share your comments below. And don't forget to follow us on, insert social media links, for updates and behind-the-scenes content.